And so our intention is to create conversations through this tournament for a deeper spiritual connection with God. But then secondly is emotional health. Based on many things that are happening in our country today, the hard economic times, the political hula-baloos, and a lot of things that are happening within the family unit, to create a space where we can de-stress emotionally. All Saints Cathedral is a church that thrives on partnerships, and so our rallying call is to welcome as many partners as possible who are out there, who are listening to us from the corporate space, from the civil society space, other religious partnerships, or even individual, so that when we join together, we can each contribute to a bigger impact in shaping the lives of our children and teenagers.